Do you know that data is one of the most powerful tools in data analytics? It is not just for developers. Python is helping analysts to uncover insights, automate processes, and also create study visualization. So in this video, I will break down how Python is used in data analytics and why it is a perfect choice for beginners and professionals alike. Python is a versatile programming language that is known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in many fields, but in data analytics, it is a game changer. Why? Because Python has a vast collection of libraries and tools that makes working with data easier, faster, and more efficient. Here are some reasons why Python is a go-to language for a data analyst. 1. It is user-friendly. Python syntax. It is simple and easy to learn and makes it beginner friendly. Why? Because it's readable to us. You are able to understand what you are writing, so it makes it beginner friendly. 2, it has powerful libraries. Yes, libraries like Pandas, like NumPy, are designed specifically for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. 3, scalability. Yes, Python can handle both small and large data sets effortlessly. My previous video explained much more about that. Excel is limited, but for Python, be it small data sets, be it a large data set, Python is able to handle that. Then community support. This one, it helps a lot. I'm also a beginner, but I'm able to go online when I'm confused. I'm able to go online and see other analysts that have videos on different challenges you might be facing on different aspects or different stages in the program as an analyst. So you have community support. With massive community, you always find tutorials, forums, and resources to help you. Then integration. Python integrates easily with tools like Excel, SQL, and big data platforms. You might be asking, when does Python comes to play in data analytics? Python plays a role in every step of the data analysis process, from the data collection, using web scraping, APIs, databases, then to data cleaning, like Panda, to remove duplicates, handling missing data, and formatting dataset. Then we have the exploratory data analytics data. It analyzes trend, finds pattern in a data set. You can use tools like NumPy or Seaborn. Then for data visualization, Python uses to create beautiful charts and graphs. Then advanced analytics, that's applying machine learning into, basically those are data science aspect, but as a data analyst, you might have interest in using machine learning models for data analysis. So that's where Python comes to play in data analytics, is to make everything easier, faster, and more efficient. Well, getting started is simple. All you have to do is download Python. Downloading Python, in the description box below, I will upload the link. Then also, you set up your environment. For the course of learning in Old School Africa, we are told to be using Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. The major difference about the Jupyter Notebook and Google Colabs is just, for Jupyter Notebook, it's an offline platform that you're able to use, but for Google Colab, you have to be connected to the internet. So that's just that. Then for the Python downloading tool, there is Python, there is Anaconda. So Python, you can code on it, Anaconda, you can also code on it, but Anaconda is just like a package manager. If you download Anaconda, it has all the packages you need. It's like you going for a shopping. You've bought a lot of things, then on your checkout, you're given a bag where you can put everything you've gotten. inside it. So that's just the basically the illustration for the Anaconda. It's just a package manager, because everything you'll be needing for data analysis, it's Anaconda is holding it. But if you download Python, you might still need to download some and install some other tools that you'll be needing for data analysis. So Anaconda is what we'll be installing. I will upload the link in the description. So after you've installed your Anaconda, you can learn the basics like Python, all the variables, the list, dictionaries, because I will still talk more and more about that in the coming videos. So after that, then you can learn key libraries. So start with Pandas for data manipulation, because most of as a data analyst, learning the key libraries will be helpful a lot. But coding is quite easier with Python. Be able to get it. Last video I was excited about writing hello world and everything. I'm still trying to get myself grounded in it, so I'll be able to put more and more of stuff I've learned online. But right now I'll still be talking more about the theoretical aspects. So keep calm and stay focused and chill. You still see me type my hello world, the list, the dictionaries and everything, but now I don't want to get ahead of myself, so that's just it. Then practice projects. Currently the hands-on projects promised by Hot School, we've not started. We are still visually on the theoretical aspect, but this week we will venture into Python full-blown practical aspects, the practical aspect of Python, because we've been doing the theory, what list is, what variables are, what dictionaries are, listing into the loops, all those precautions. I don't want to bore us or get ahead. All these things we will take it step by step. Well, if you remember, Python is the future of data analytics. Yes, there is no better time than start learning now. Well, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for beginner-friendly tutorials and tips and real-world projects in Python for data analytics. So during the course of the video, as from next week, we'll be talking on topics like introduction to lists, working with lists, tuples and sets, introduction to if statements, introduction to dictionaries, users input, while loop, functions and classes. So keep calm, and as the week unfolds, as the learning unfolds, I'll upload more and more coding Python works that I am doing in Old School Africa. But for now, we just based on the theoretical aspects. So, but as from next week, we should be able to start fully and get ground in Python programming. So stay tuned. Well, thank you for watching. Remember, Python is not just a coding or programming language. It is a superpower for data analysts. Yeah, so stay curious, keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you next week.